Aloha! In this video, let's talk about comparing numbers with Perl. A lot of the use of if statements in programming involves comparing the value of different variables. And in this video, we'll look at comparing numbers or variables with numeric values. Okay. As mentioned in our previous video, we construct an if statement with a condition and then whatever special instructions occur if that condition is met. Okay, so within the condition we're often comparing different variables, and in order to do those comparisons we need to see how to write comparisons using programming. So this table from your textbook provides an example of different comparisons. We have A is less than B, A is less than or equal to B, A is greater than B, A is greater than or equal to B, A is, that's not a comparison operator. It says it means something else. We use two equal signs to represent in a condition where we're asking if A is equal to B. Remember, the single equal sign means copy B into A. It's the assignment operator. So these two are not to be used in comparisons, but we use double equal sign to compare numbers in a condition, and then the exclamation point equal sign for is A different than B. We frequently use the exclamation point, also referred to as the bang symbol, to indicate not. So is A not equal to B? Okay, so now that we've introduced those symbols, let's look at how we can do this in a Perl program. So we can say print number 1, so we can be asking, and then num1 equals stdin, and we say print number 2, so we're asking the user for a second number, and read that in. And then we want to compare these numbers, so if num1 is greater than num2, then print number 1 is greater than number 2. Okay. So that's how we construct a comparison statement. So we can say if num1 is greater than or equal to num2, print number 1 is greater than or equal to num2. Okay? So I can do things like that. I can also say if num1 equals num2, I can say print number 2 is the same as number 1. Please give me another number. And then we have num2 equals stdin. Okay. So we can put multiple statements, multiple commands to Perl within our curly braces. We'll explore that more in a future video, but that illustrates comparing numbers using this numeric comparison set of symbols within Perl to generate special instructions. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Happy coding. Mahalo.